وعليكم السلام. You are admitted here.
Okay, sir.
You have to stay in room number 6.
Okay, sir.
You will have to study well.
Okay, sir.
You will have to follow the rules of this madrasa.
Okay, sir.
Don't quarrel with anybody.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, you will be terminated.
Okay, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
ठीक है.
Were you admitted here?
Yes.
Where were you studying before?
In Purnia.
Did you study in his class or only class?
His class.
In which madrasa were you studying before?
Darul Ulum Muhammadiyah Arabic College.
In which class were you there?
His class.
What's your name?
My name is Alhamdulillah.
Where is your home?
In Purnia.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Talib.
What does your father do?
He is a businessman.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one brother and one sister.
Do you know how to recite nursery?
Yes.
Do you know how to speak?
Yes, I know but a little.
How old are you?
Right now I am 15 years old.
In which room will you stay?
Room number 6. Since when have you been studying here?
Since 2017.
What's the name of Talib Sahib?
जनाब शाहबाज आलम साहिब.
What's the name of Mufti Sahib?
जनाब मुफ्ती शफीउल कादरी साहब.
What's the name of Secretary Sahib?
Janab Professor for Commerce Siddiqui Sahib.
Does Talib Sahib furnish more or less?
Not much.
Is good meat provided here?
Not only good but also enough.
How many students are there here?
About 80.
Is playing allowed here or not?
Playing is allowed here.
Where is the playground?
We play in the playground of Abda High School.
Okay, let's go to protocol class.